Salut! Bienvenue au cours de la langue française à Language Place. So welcome to the French language course at Language Place. Aujourd'hui, nous apprenons les pronoms possessifs. Les pronoms possessifs. Today we are going to be learning the possessive pronouns. Very simple. That is my book. That book is mine. Or the book is mine. One has to do with a possessive adjective, the other has to do with a possessive pronoun. So let's continue. Le pronom possessif remplace le nom précédé d'un adjectif possessif. So the possessive pronouns, they replace the noun or the nouns preceded by a possessive adjective. For example, if I say, that is my car, that is my car, there is a possessive adjective and there is a noun still. The noun is still there. As long as the noun is there and a possessive adjective shows possession with the noun, then it is not yet a possessive pronoun. Because remember the function of pronouns. Pronouns are to what? Are to replace the nouns entirely. So the job of the possessive pronoun is to make us not hear car again. So instead of saying that is my car, the possessive pronoun will say no, that car or that is mine. When you hear mine, then what should come to your mind is that what? A possessive pronoun has been used. Why? Because the possessive adjective is no longer there and the noun is no longer there. So the possessive pronoun tells both of them to what? To shift. I have the floor. So let's look at these sentences. C'est mon livre. C'est mon livre. It is my book. Mon here is a possessive adjective. Adjective possessive. Adjective possessive. Livre, le nom. So we have the adjective possessive et le nom. Together here, my book. But let's look at the second sentence. C'est le mien. Le mien. Le mien. Le mien. Le mien because mon livre, livre is a masculine word and it is singular. So, le mien. It is mine. It is mine. In this situation, the possessive pronoun comes to place to replace both of them. So it becomes, it is mine. So here we have pronoun possessive. Remember, the pronoun possessive replaces the adjective possessive and also the what? The noun. So it takes two of them away and takes the place. So that is the function of pronoun possessive. To make us not start repeating mon livre, livre, livre every time. That is my book, that is my car. Instead of that, why not say that is mine? Very simple, makes life easy. Bon, on continue. Les pronoms possessifs s'accordent en genre et en nombre que les adjectifs possessifs. So you must know that when you are using the possessive pronouns, it follows the rule of accord, the accord. And what does the accord say? It says what? It must follow the gender and numbers which the possessive adjectives follow. So if I say mon livre, just a singular book, masculine, my possessive adjective must not be feminine because my possessive pronoun, must not be feminine because my possessive adjective was actually masculine. Once again, let me say that again. If I say c'est mon livre, here I used mon because this is masculine, singular. My adjective possessive is masculine, singular. Likewise, my pronoun possessive, my possessive pronoun must also be what? Masculine, singular. On no occasion should I use feminine, singular, or any other type. It must correspond. If my possessive adjective, before you even say it, think of it. What kind of possessive adjective am I using? Okay, is it mon livre? Is it ma voiture? Is it mon livre or ma voiture? If I'm saying mon livre and I want to say that is mine, I will just say le mien. because mon livre, masculine singular. If it were to be ma voiture, it will be what? La mienne, that is mine, because feminine singular. So that is the very important rule about their usage. Now we have a table. We have a table here, and the table contains the adjective possessive, possessive adjectives, adjective possessive, and their corresponding pronoun possessive. And we have them in full. We have them masculine, singular, feminine, singular. So for this part of the table, we have this part of the table, sang, identified by this sang. We have masculine singular. Here, we have masculine and feminine plural. Masculine singular, feminine singular. These are the singular parts. Masculine singular, feminine singular. Masculine plural, feminine plural. And here we have the other plurals. So, quickly, understanding this table, if I say mon livre, my book, mon livre, my book, the corresponding pronoun possessive will be le mien, mine, because I used mon. So whenever you use mon, just say le mien, mine. So this is my whatever, your whatever, and then this is mine, and also mine, depending on the gender. So, mon livre, le mien. Ma voiture, feminine. If I say ma voiture, the pronoun possessive will be la mienne. So anything, ma voiture, ma whatever, ma chambre, for example, la mienne, mine. So, ton livre, le tien. This will be ta what? Ta voiture. Remember the general example we are using. Ta voiture, la tienne. Your car, yours. Son livre, le sien. Sa voiture, la sienne. Here we move to the plurals. If I say mes livres avec S, my books, the kind of mine I will use will be masculine, but in this case it will be plural or pluriel because my books, they were plural. So, mes livres, les miens. Mes voitures, les miennes. My cars, here they are plural. So, mes voitures, les miennes. Tes livres, les tiens, les tiens. Tes voitures, les tiennes. Ses livres, les siens. His or her books. Ses voitures, les siennes. His or her cars. Then we have his, hers, depending on the number and the gender. Don't forget. Notre. These are the plurals, the general plurals that we have. So, notre livre, our book, singular. Le notre. The book is singular, but we are the plural. So, even when we are the plural and the book is singular, we have to use a corresponding pronoun possessive that will show that, oh, we are also the plural, but the book is the singular. So that is why we have it here. Notre livre, le nôtre. Notre livre, le nôtre. Notre voiture, la nôtre. Here, there, or your, yes, singular or plural with a respectful tone. So, votre livre, le vôtre. Votre voiture, la vôtre. Leur, their. Leur livre. Leur livre. Le leur. Theirs, le leur. Leur voiture, la leur. Then when we have the plural of ours, that we, they are both plural, we are the plural, the books are also plural. Then we say, nos livres avec S, the plural form, nos livres, les nôtres. Les nôtres. Notre voiture, les nôtres still. Very simple. Notre livre, les nôtres. Notre voiture, les nôtres. Vos livres, les vôtres. Vos voitures, les vôtres. Then le, plural, plural. Two of them, plural. So we have le livre avec S, les leurs. Leur voiture, les leurs. So you can study this table very well, but when you master them, they become extremely simple. Très, très facile. We are going to be taking some examples now. So, the first example, if I say, c'est un livre. No, we've been using livre. Let's use another word. Chambre, room. C'est, chambre is feminine. Feminine. Let's use the singular. So if I say, c'est ma chambre. C'est ma chambre. Here we need to put the possessive adjective. Your room. Now we are using the informal here. Is it going to be ton chambre or ta chambre? Is it your room? Is it your room? Is it going to be ton chambre or ta chambre? The word chambre is feminine, so it will be ta chambre. So we have the basic, c'est ta chambre. Is it your room? What if we don't want to say, is it your room? We want to use the possessive pronoun. Is it yours? That's what we'll be saying. Is it yours? But in this case, we have to use something that corresponds to feminine singular. So where on this table are we going to go to pick our proper and right possessive pronoun? We used ta chambre. So we just ask, c'est la tienne. C'est la tienne. So it becomes c'est la tienne. This is the yours. Is it yours? If you want to reply and say, yes, it is mine. It is mine. It is my room. So if you want to say, it is mine, what do you say? Try it on your own. Okay, let's do it together. We. Yes, c'est un. How do we say it? We say remember. Feminine. Singular. But this time around, you're not saying yours, you're saying mine. So you go to mine, feminine, singular. It becomes la mienne, ma chambre. The sense of the word will change to yes, it is my room. So here you're saying mine. So it becomes la mienne. Oui, c'est la mienne. C'est la mienne. So here we write la mienne. La mienne. We are taking more sentences and more examples. Here we are going to see using the plurals now. Are those your phones? Are those your phones? Ce sont vos portables. Ce sont vos portables. Ce sont vos portables. Ce sont vos portables. Are those your phones? Portable is a masculine word, but in this case it is plural. So are those your phones? So where on our table is that going to be? Masculine. Where? Here. So, your phones, vos portables. Masculine, but plural. Masculine, plural. So, vos portables. So, if I want to say, yes, they are yours. Yes, they are yours. I simply say, oui. Oui, ce sont les quoi? Les vôtres. Les vôtres. Oui, ce sont les vôtres. Oui, ce sont les vôtres. Why? Because they are yours. And you don't need to worry because les vôtres for both. So no need to worry. Very, very, very simple. No need to worry at all. Let's take more examples and see how clear they are. Very, very simple and clear. Let's add est-ce que. Est-ce que. Oui. Est-ce que ces voitures sont we want to ask when you have est-ce que turns it to a question, so very simple. Est-ce que ces voitures sont are these cars yours? Are these cars yours? Remember the technique. What is this? This is feminine word, but it is plural, right? Feminine plural. Are these cars yours? We are going to answer it both formally, yes, and informally. Formally and informally. I will take the informal part and I will leave you to answer the formal part. I would also supply the answers, so not to worry if you make little mistakes. So, est-ce que ces voitures sont Let's answer it in the informal way. Feminine plural. Feminine plural. Remember, this is the informal. So, if we chose la tienne, it is feminine truly, but it is singular. Very wrong. So we would say les tiennes because it is feminine and at the same time plural. Very perfect. Corresponds to what we need. Est-ce que ces voitures sont les tiennes? Are these cars yours? How about the formal way? Same. Est-ce que ces voitures sont I bet your answer is as good as mine. So same thing, feminine plural. But here we are going to the what? To the formal level. So it becomes feminine plural. Same thing, don't forget, les vôtres. So even you, I'm sure you got it. So, les vôtres. Les vôtres. So, they are very simple. Careful study of the table. When you learn those tables and then when you apply them, you see it is very simple to move from adjective possessive to pronoun possessive. Don't forget, they replace the nouns that are preceded by the adjective possessive. It says no, not my book, but here it becomes mine, yours, theirs, and so on. Join us in subsequent lessons to know more about pronoun possessive, other types of pronouns in French. Thank you for participating in class today. Au revoir et à bientôt.